Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of this closing of the weekly review, right? I would like to actually give you all updates that you see traditionally investors expect financial markets to be pretty quiet during this time because it's consolidative and also shortened trading weeks. There is usually less participation and less liquidity in the forex, and investors squeeze their positions and closing their book early. But 2020 has been a year like no other. You and I know that, right? We're never gonna forget 2020, right? Well, and we would not be surprised to see multi-month highs and lows set in currency at the end of the week, which is today, right? And we saw on Euro USD, USD JPY actually have a history of breaking out or reaching out new milestones during the Thanksgiving week. Just take a look at some of the charts on let's just say here, if I show you look on Euro USD, as you could see here on Euro, see overall when we see guys, you see this is kind of like a ranging pattern going up and down, up and down, up and down, right? But we will just see a breakout soon. As you could see here, now it's again like zooming. What I see, it has peak resistance. It should be making a fallback because on a bigger time frame it's developing a double top. I'm still looking downside for this. On the other hand, we had GBP USD, right, which was also actually performing well, but then again, you know, at the yesterday we saw that it went down. As you could see here, it went down, hit both our TPs and then it's going up again. So as you can see, is that the market is like seesaws and bouncing up and down, right? Well, if you see that on the other hand, on cryptocurrency, like we mentioned earlier, cryptocurrency had a major post this week, right? It has been trending up, but now I see that on cryptocurrency, it is in the process of developing a correction, which means that it would be it's in a retracement. But like I mentioned earlier, that how you can actually position yourself to find opportunities on this would be let me just show you here, guys. There you go. Well, you can actually combine these two moving averages together, and then this will be giving you some sort of insight and to find a potential opportunity. Like I mentioned to you earlier, if the price is going to cross in, you know, the 20 MA crossing into the 50 MA, this will be a bullish signal, and then you can actually go. I still see that Bitcoin is bullish. This is kind of a correction, right? Because the price has tested this major resistance level of the history, right? So we will see a corrective structure development, and then we're going to see another breakout to the upside. Well, this week Tesla also boomed a lot. As you could see, that Tesla is one of the car maker which is really booming, and we see that having a great upcoming future. What we're going to do is that any pullback, guys, let me tell you, any pullbacks will be a buying opportunity on this. Right now, I see that it has peaked a little bit retraced before we can actually go long on this. Tesla was really great this week. On the other hand, we also saw Boeing, which picked up a great momentum on let me just show you. Most of the stocks did really well, and I see that the continuation will be taking place even next week as well. Where is Boeing? As I mentioned earlier, most of the airline stocks will be shooting up, and there's a good opportunity for you to make money from there. In fact, before the year end, we will see more further upside coming on these stocks, right? We also had a great great rally on you see here on this. If you see on Boeing, great rally. Alaska Air as well. Then we see that Baba is also taking position. Sony also went up, and then UK Brent also picking its demand. And on the other hand, if you see Amazon, not yet. Advanced micro reverses. Yes, it's a buy signal, like I mentioned earlier. Well, yeah, it was another week, but of course we saw less volatility in the forex market, which is very normal towards the end of the year, right? So a great week, new hopes of vaccine development, as well as if you see that looks like this could be another sell because it's going to went down, it's going to come down, so you can actually sell GBP CAD, right? So It was another week. We saw Ethereum as well. You see correction. I see that it will be going up next week most likely. Dashcoin is also picking up because overall it came back, and now I see on this one, this would be another bullish one move coming up to the upside. All right. So very volatile week, especially for cryptocurrencies. Less volatility in the forex, high volatility in the stocks. Some of the names like I mentioned earlier, Tesla, Boeing, right? All of these did really well. We also spotted an opportunity on Facebook, which I see the next week it will be completing these levels, right? So great week, just like any other week. We will be back again next week to bring you all more updates. Let's just see that on the economic calendar we had consumer confidence from US into the red. Well, yes, with the rising cases in a rising number of cases in US, initial jobless claims as well again rising. Then today we will see not much in the economic calendar. Then we also saw a little bit of manufacturing PMI numbers picking up in Europe. Right. So that's all for the week, guys. We will be back again next week. We will do more analysis, more price action forecasts, right? And we'll do our best to bring you the best tips and also the right entry exit levels that's going to help you to become a profitable traders, right? For now, I'm going to sign off. I wish you all a great weekend. Be happy, all right? Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.